Where is this property?
Malleshwaram.
How many acres?
My lords, it is around 24,000 square feet.
24,000 square feet. Malleshwaram is vacant.
It is vacant, my lords, it is vacant.
Police quarters.
One corner, my lords.
ಈಗ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕರೆದು ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ.
ಇದು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇವಾಗ.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಮ್ದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ
ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನೀವು? ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೇಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಾರೆ. ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ who was taking care of this property?
The police quarters, police staff are living there.
Living there? Police ಅದನ್ನು ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Presently, my lord is living there.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
No,
The proceedings?
my lords, we had requested, my lords, the magistrate that proceedings are pending. Yes, my lords, he is not yet committed, but like accused are there. Same, my lords.
Same. The police quarters.
Yes. I pay for counsel for accused number 3, in petition number 5408.
ಅದು ಎರಡು ಕೊಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದೇನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ?
It is listed for admission.
ಯಾಕೆ ನೆನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋದಲ್ಲ?
Not yesterday, my lords, your lordships and my lords learned SPP, and from yesterday, my lords, the matters posted.
ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿದೆ?
90 and 91, my lords.
I appear in 90.
82 ಸರ್. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್
35 minute grounds of arrest.
ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. 35(3) not compliant.
ಎರಡೇನಾ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್? ಎರಡೇ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ದು?
Same, my lords.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
11.
It's my lord, I am a bona fide agreement holder, and there is a suit for.
ಈಗ ನೀವು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ FIR ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ, 35(3) ಮಾತ್ರನಾ ಅಥವಾ ಎಂಟೈರ್ FIR?
My petition, my lords, both 35(3), my lords, and FIR also have challenged.
ಇಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
And come.
ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
But so far as now the rank they have changed. Petitioner has been arraigned as a
2 in the remand.
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್
I'll take it. Two things, my lord.
ನಂಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 35(3) ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೀಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಇಟ್. ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ? ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ?
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸಾಕ್ಷಿದಾರರ ಹೆಸರು? ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಶ್ರೀನಾಥ್. ನೀವು ಶ್ರೀನಾಥ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು?
ಇಬ್ಬರದು. And some documents, my lord, your lordship may see these documents.
ಕೊಡಿ.
And on merits, my lord, this is on merits.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
35(3) ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
35(3) no, my lords, because your lordship may kindly see, my lords, 11/3/2026, my lords, FIR is registered. My lords, arrest.
Two things, sorry.
Yes.
Were you taken to police custody initially?
Yes.
Second, my lords, on second, not before that.
No. Crime is registered on first.
My lords, crime is registered, my lords, on 11/3/2026.
All right. ಆಮೇಲೆ when were you taken to police custody?
Second, the date of arrest, not before
That is 2nd April.
2nd April.
Till then you are not interrogated.
My lords, what they do is, my lords, 8/3, my lords, suit is registered before the trial court. On 8th, my lords, the inspector appears before the trial court. My lords, files an application. My lords, that application, my lords, is not in my lords, it is not, my lords, in the form of an interlocutory application. The learned judge, my lords, returns that application, and my lords, directs, my lords, them to file a proper impediment application. Next day, my lords, thereafter, my lords, on 11th, my lords, a complaint is lodged. In the 11th complaint, my lords, they say that this 9th, my lords, some unknown persons, my lords, had threatened the family member of the complainant, de facto complainant. My lords, till even as on 8th, my lords, they were aware of the civil proceedings. My lords, first they take me into custody. My lords, then they arrest me. After that, my lords, this 35(3) notice is given.
After that, they have given.
Afterwards, they were aware of the civil proceedings. My lords, first they take me into custody. My lords, then they arrest me. After that, my lords, this 35(3) notice is given.
After that, they have given.
After that, my lords, they try to serve it on me. My lords, that doesn't contain the date, place, time, purpose of, my lords, my appearance before the investigating officer, nothing. The learned magistrate, my lords, observes this, my lords, in the remand application. In spite of that, my lords, custody is given. In the remand from, my lords, 11(3), my lords, till 2nd, my lords, no notice is issued.
Yes, sir. Yes. The senior counsel. Same ground.
On same grounds, my lord, I am also there, my lord.
ಮಯೂರ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಅದೇ ಕೇಸ ಇದೆ. You were there in this? No, yes.
They issue, my lord, 35 notice, they say, my lord, and they take him straight away to the police station. Alle notice put. There is no date, place, my lord, and appearance, and it is not their case that I have violated that notice and they have taken me to custody. No, Satyendra Kumar until squarely covered. Not they have not served the copy of the FIR as, my lord, directed by the Honorable Court in the guidelines issued in the Shio Prasad, my lord. That is also not there. Lord, straight away they take. My lord, the complainant is also a police party, my lord. So
Complainant is a police officer.
yes, my lord. Now the dispute is, my lord, the land which is now I have agreement, registered agreement. They say, my lord, that land belongs to the police welfare department. They say their land. They don't have any papers to say that it is their land. That is first thing. Second thing, my lord, I am a bona fide agreement holder. Now the accused number 1, if at all, my lord, she has to say, my lord, how she got the title, how she has, my lord, have khata. She has not been arrested. They targeted only the bona fide agreement holder. He also.
What is the date of your agreement?
2021. Suit is pending. Both 2 suits are pending. There are 2 registered.
Where is this property?
Malleshwaram.
How many acres?
My lords, it is around 24,000 square feet. My lords.
24,000 square feet. Malleshwaram is vacant.
It is vacant. My lords. It is vacant.
Police quarters.
It used to be police
One
station.
corner, my lords, one corner.
It used to be police quarters ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗೇನು?
There used to be police station.
Police
Station in the.
My lords, outside the boundary of the property, even in the 1941 registered partition deed, my lords, there is a reference to police station in one of the boundaries. My lords, prior to, my lords, I entered into this agreement, my lords. This 1941 document was given to me. After that, my lords, Kata, tax paid, receipt, everything, my lords, was in the name of this Mahalakshmi, who's arrayed as A3, my lords. After that, looking into those documents, my lords, I enter into this agreement. I come into scene only on after 12/3/2025, not before that. Before that, my lords, I don't have any role.
Now the issue is 35(3) and grounds of
Grounds
arrest.
of arrest you are given, my lord. 35(3), my lord, I have my submission, my lord, is that where arrest is not needed, we issue a 35(3). There is one misconception, my lord, I must say, my
Then
lord.
why did you issue it?
That's a misconception. Because Supreme Court said up to 7 years you will have to issue, you cannot arrest. Our officers, my lord, believes that 35 notice has to be issued and arrested. That's a misconception.
No, 35 notice is issued for the purpose of summoning for investigation.
Correct.
If he does not cooperate, then
You
arrest.
can arrest, but you can also arrest.
No, you can also arrest if you want his police
police
custody.
custody. In
ಅವಾಗ
this,
35(3) ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ.
that is in case, my lord, this is the case, my lord. I will place the documents, my lord, which of course they also placed it in the petition. A land was declared, given the government since 1920, police station to the police station. Subsequently, police quarters has been constructed. There are documents coming in the name of the government police quarters. And these documents, my lord, post 2021 was either forged, manufactured. Of course, there are BESCOM, BBMP officials are also involved in changing. In fact, now if I show this document, you lordship will see the PID number. The photograph is the police quarters, which they themselves say it is their property, the police quarters. Your lordship may see description of the property. It is the police quarters. Once they say description is, of course, they change the description, but it's a police quarters. The 24,000 square feet of property is agreement to sell is for 4 crore rupees.
4 crore ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮಲ್ಲೇಶ್ವರಂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, the entire consideration is 4 crores or agreement ಮಾತ್ರನಾ?
Andralli 4 crore, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 6 crore.
ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಬ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್ 6 crores.
The next crore.
24,000 square feet ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು?
26,000 square feet.
Less than an acre.
Less than an acre.
Here is a case where my lord, I am
And
bona
this
fide-
fabricated document, my lord, your lordship may see. This is the fabricated document.
ಕೊಡಿ anyway.
And in fact, all the
things my lord are seized up by the civil court. And the landowner has to, my lord, say. And ultimately court has to, my lord, decide the specific performance based on the title and other things. Now, my lord, I am the bona fide registered, my lord, agreement holder. Same thing, my lord, learned friend.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕರೆದು ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ.
ಇದು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇವಾಗ.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ actually.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧಕ್ಕೆ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
But now
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನೀವು?
landlord not has been, she has not been arrested.
ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗು ಸೇಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ. Agreement holder.
Happened is, my lords, 2025, my lords, a representation, my lords, is made to the police commissioner. My lords, in that, my lords, the police commissioner is notified, my lords, writ is pending. From then on, my lords, no action is taken. Now, all of a sudden, my lords, why this false bravado, my lords, and barging into our house, 6-7 policemen.
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಲೇಟ್ ಸರ್.
My lords, I understand, my lords. My lords, essentially, my lords, the investigation revolves around, my lords, documents.
I have the writ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
petition.
ಬರೀ ರಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಲೇಟ್ ಅವರು.
No, I have the
but,
writ petition copy. Your lordship is what the prayer in writ petition.
It is only consideration of representation. I have produced the copy of the writ petition, my lords, in the.
And where is police commissioner asked the caretaker, KD,
Who was taking care of this property?
the police quarters, police staff are living there.
Living? Police staff living?
Police
ಅದನ್ನು
inspector,
agreement
working
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
inspector presently, my lord, is living there.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
According
No.
to my instruction, my lord, he has given paper
My lord, see,
publication. He has-
2 DYSPs and 4 inspectors are living in that property.
ನಾವು
ಹೌದು.
My lords, even in private properties, my lords, police stations were there. My lords, they remained after, my lords, new police stations are built. My lords, the old police
and
stations.
these
my lords,
police are allotted it as police quarters.
Yes, I placed the documents, my lord, to show that.
My lord,
Now-
our claim is that, my lord, the landlord had a title and she, my lord, entered into a specific, my lord, now the suit.
ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಎನ್ಕಮರೆನ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂಗ.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗ್ಸಿ
And I have placed the
ಅಲ್ಲ,
document.
ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್
ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
ಈ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಎನ್ಕಮರೆನ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
And we have also paid, my lord, the consideration, part of consideration.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
Vendor, accused number 1.
ಹೋಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ.
landlord. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಅದೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ.
ಈ ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕುದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತವ?
Accused number 1 is a 86 years old lady.
ಹಾ.
So that she can do anything.
That lady pops up suddenly
ಹ್ಮ್.
and then enter into an agreement for 4 crore rupees first in 2021. 2020. Subsequently, second agreement was entered into another accused for 6 crore rupees.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ. ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್. ನಾಳೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹೌದು.
35(3).
Custody, my lord.
ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ ನಾಳೆ.
Lord,
my lords, they'll be committed to
our
judicial custody
instruction-
today, my lord.
According to our instruction, my lord.
You don't worry, even if you are coming to judicial custody, if I am passing an order, I will release.
Very well.
Yes, don't have to worry about it.
Our instructions, my lord.
If 35 grounds of arrest is not served or 35(3) is not served, or whether it was necessary to be served or not, even on the merit of the matter, we'll see what is to be done tomorrow. Orders in court.